Good morning, students. Welcome to our computer class. In our previous class, we were discussing about order and timing in animation and motion path in animation. Today, we are going to learn about SmartArt graphic and views in PowerPoint. Let's start. At first, we discuss about SmartArt graphic. SmartArt graphic is a visual representation of our information and ideas. We can create one by choosing a layout from the PowerPoint list. To animate a SmartArt graphic, follow the given steps. Click on the Insert tab, select SmartArt graphic and then select any one option. Click on the Animation tab, then click on More button. Select any animation effect from the drop-down list. Next one is Preview Animations. By using Preview button, we can find out the errors that may exist in the animation. This option is activated only when an animation is given to the test or slide. We can preview the animation by clicking the preview option from Preview Group on the Animation tab. Views in PowerPoint. PowerPoint has several views that allows you to see presentation content in various useful ways. They are Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Notes Page View, and Reading View. First one is Normal View. When you open a PowerPoint presentation, the default selection is Normal View. It has mainly 4 working areas. They are Outline Slide tab, Slide tab, then Slide pane and Notes pane. To get normal view, click on View tab and select Normal View option from the list. Second one is Slide Sorter View. In this view, the slides are arranged in an order. It helps us to rearrange the slides very easily. To get Slide Sorter View, click on View tab and select Slide Sorter option from the list. Third one is Notes Page View. Notes Page View allows you to make notes under the slide without affecting the presentation in slideshow. The Notes pane is located just below the slide pane. To get Notes Page View, click on View tab and select Notes Page View from the list. Fourth one is Reading View. Reading View shows us the slide fit in the screen. In this view, we can see our graphics, timings, movies, animated effects, and transition effects, etc. will look during the actual presentation. To get reading view, click on View tab and select Reading View option from the list. These are the 4 types of views in PowerPoint. Thank you, children. That's all for today. Have a nice day.